Hey guys, welcome back to the Doba YouTube channel. If you spend any time on social media, you've probably seen influencers claiming that dropshipping is the easiest way to get rich. The global dropshipping market is expected to hit 476.1 billion by 2026, which means the opportunities are huge. But with big opportunities come big challenges. Here's the thing, there is way more to it than just setting up a store and watching the money roll. In today's video, we're cutting through the noise. We'll share practical tips, uncover the most common pitfalls, and give you real solutions to help you launch a dropshipping business that actually works. Alright, let's dive into the first tip for starting a successful dropshipping store in 2025. When it comes to marketing money in dropshipping, preparation is everything, and that starts with selecting a profitable niche. Here's the deal. If your niche is too broad, people won't connect with your product. And if it's too narrow, you will struggle to find enough customers. So the goal is to find that sweet spot in the middle. So how do you do it? First, keep an eye on social trends. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter are gold mines for spotting shifting customer preferences. Pay attention to what's trending and what people are buzzing about. It's often a great indicator on what's in demand. Next, leverage research tools. Websites like Google Trends can help you dig deeper into the business idea. You can check search volumes, analyze trends, and see how consumer interest changes over time. And don't forget to explore marketplaces. Places like Amazon, Etsy, eBay let you see what's flying off the shelves right now. Browsing those platforms is an easy way to find best-selling products and validate your niche. Alright, once you nail down your niche, the next big step is finding a supplier that you can count on. Think about it, without a reliable supplier, even the best niche or marketing strategy won't get you far. So how do you pick the right one? Here's what really matters. First, think about location. Local suppliers are a huge win because they offer lower shipping costs and faster delivery times. And trust me, fast shipping can make or break your customer experience. Next, check out their product variety. A supplier with a large selection makes it easier to grow your business when you're ready to expand. And look for no minimum order requirements. This way you won't have to worry about buying in bulk or managing unnecessary inventory. And finally, do your homework on their reputation. Read third-party reviews and make sure they're reliable. Never skip this step. Take a good look at their website, reviews, search results, and even reach out to confirm directly that they're legit. If you're just starting out, platforms like Doba are a great choice. They're beginner-friendly, and since they partner with US-based suppliers, you get faster shipping times. Let's face it, just having a great product isn't enough. You need people to find your store, trust your brand, and hit that buy button. That's where marketing comes in. Let me show you how to make it work. Let's start with something underrated but incredibly powerful: content marketing. Think about this. You're not just selling the products, you're building experience. Write blogs, post tutorials, or share product reviews that answer your audience questions. Bonus, it's great for SEO. The more useful content you have, the higher your chances of showing up on Google's first page. Speaking of Google, let's talk search engine marketing. You've got two options: organic traffic through SEO or paid ads. Either way, you want to be where people are searching. Imagine someone types in the product you sell and boom, your store shows up on the top. That's how you get discovered. Now, let's move to the one that's taking over right now: social media marketing. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are gold mines for building a following. And no, just posting isn't enough. Run challenges, host giveaways, or create engaging videos. Basically, give people a reason to follow and interact with you. Make it fun and make it personal. Feeling bold? Try influencer marketing. This is one of the fastest ways to gain trust and exposure. Find influencers whose audience matches your niche and collaborate. They'll introduce your store to their followers, which means instant credibility and more eyes on your products. Finally, don't sleep on email marketing. Why? Because it works. Use it to keep customers in the loop about new products, promotions, and tips they will actually care about. A good email campaign can turn one-time shoppers into repeat buyers. And here's the thing, no single strategy works for everyone. Test this out, mix and match, and see what clicks for your store. Remember, marketing isn't just about selling, it's about building trust, creativity, value, and keeping people coming back. Now that you've got some solid tips to start with, let's talk about the pitfalls that can trip you up along the way. Even with the best strategies, many dropshippers still make these common mistakes. Let's make sure you don't fall into the same traps. Pitfall number 1, lack of research. One of the biggest pitfalls dropshippers face is jumping in without doing enough research. Without solid marketing research, your business is set up for failure from the start. As we've mentioned before, understanding how the dropshipping model works is crucial, but it doesn't stop there. You also need to dig deeper into finding a profitable niche and analyzing your competition. The more research you can put in, the better your chances are of success. Want a little secret? If you want to dive deeper into marketing advice, store optimization, or even read success stories, check out Doba. Their blog, Elite Academy, and YouTube channels are packed with tips and strategies to help you crush it in dropshipping. Pitfall number 2, poorly designed store. Your store's design can make or break your business. A poorly designed website can quickly turn customers away and damage your credibility. To keep customers engaged, your site needs to be easy to navigate. A clean layout with intuitive features will help visitors find what they're looking for quickly, making a great first impression. Next, make sure your content adds value. Highlight free shipping, special deals, or discounts right up front to grab their attention and keep people interested. Quality images are a must. High-resolution photos not only make your products shine, but also build trust with your audience. Lastly, simplify the checkout process. A quick, hassle-free checkout reduces cart abandonment and increases conversions. Small design tweaks like this can make a big difference in keeping customers on your site and getting them to come back for more. Pitfall number 3, bad customer service. A happy customer is a repeat customer. If your customers are satisfied, they will likely to come back for more and even recommend your store to their friends. But how do you make sure that they're happy? Here's the key. Customer service is everything. Be fast and polite when responding to their inquiries. Customers want quick answers and the feeling that their concerns matter. The better your customer service, the more likely they're able to stick with you. Show off social proof when designing your store. Make sure to add customer reviews and testimonials. This helps build trust with new customers and shows that others have had positive experience buying from you. Social proof can seriously help push hesitant buyers toward making a purchase. It's the small things that add up and make a massive difference in building long-term success. All right, that's how you start a successful dropshipping business in 2025. Pick the right niche, find reliable suppliers, build a professional store, market effectively, and scale. It won't be easy, but it's totally doable with the right approach. And don't forget to celebrate your wins, big or small. Every step forward counts. So give yourself credit where it's due. Whether you completed the website or made your first sale, reward yourself because you are doing awesome. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more dropshipping tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy dropshipping!